Here's a Tai Chi move called raise hands. Now this one comes after doing single whip. So first I'll just show the leg movements. You're going to begin from a bow step. So from here you shift your weight to the back leg, come onto the heel of the front foot, and the whole body's going to turn here. So you're going to turn 45 degrees and plant that left foot down at a 45-degree angle. So both feet are going to be parallel, pointing to the corner. Shift all of your weight to the left foot. So here you could pivot on the ball of the right foot, settling all the weight into the left foot. Right foot bends in and extends out, coming into a back stance. So just touching the heel of the front foot down. And now adding in the arm movements. So I'm at the end position of single whip. As I begin to shift backwards, my right hand here, the wrist is going to drop, and the right hand is going to face outwards to the corner, like so. Coming onto the heel of the front foot, turning 45 degrees. As I shift over to the left foot, the arms are going to drop down. Right foot comes in, everything folds in together and extends out together. So coming a little closer to show that arm position. So the palm of the left hand is facing towards the right elbow. It doesn't make contact, but just like so. Hands are flat, fingers relaxed. So this end position here, you may hear it called the 7-star stance. So from a martial arts perspective, this is a very guarded position. Your body is turned at a 45-degree angle here. You're presenting less surface area to your opponent. And arms are protecting the front of the body. And with all of the weight on the back leg, you're free to move in different directions. You could come forwards, you could step back to the side. Lots of possibilities here. So I'll demonstrate that once more from the end of single whip. So from here, moving into raise hands. So when I was shifting to the left leg, I was facing the corner. As everything extends out in front, I turn to face forwards, keeping the torso at an angle. And that's raise hands.